Welcome back. Your Wing Chun is not weak. Your focus is weak. And if your focus is not there, your structure collapses. Your timing is gone and your techniques will never work. Today, I will show you why your focus is a real problem and how to fix it immediately. Many people train Wing Chun for years. They practice Tan Sao, Bong Sao, Pak Sao, Punch. But when it comes to sparring or real application, everything breaks down. Why? Because they are not focused, not mentally, not physically, not internally connected. Today, I'm going to give you 5 powerful reasons why focus is everything in Wing Chun, how it will transform your entire skill. My name is Austin Goh. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years, and I can tell you this clearly. Without focus, Wing Chun is just empty movement. Let me show you. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. If your mind is not focused, your body will disconnect. Your stance becomes weak. Your arms will float. Your power will disappear. You stand the Wing Chun stance loosely, unstable. It doesn't. You feel like emptiness. It's empty. It doesn't feel. It doesn't feel right because you just do things without focus. Now, when you stand in your Wing Chun stance, grounded, focus, connect the ground, legs, waist, and spine, and the arm are all in line. You are focused. So without focus, no structure. So reason number 2, focus control your center line. Wing Chun is all about the center line. If focus is not there, you lose. But if your focus is not there, you lose the line. Tan Sao drifting away, see, from the center. 2, 3, 4, 5. The Tan Sao should be in the center. The middle finger in line with your nose. You focus on the middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus. 1. That's how you train your mind. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your mind becomes sharp. Your hands automatically protect and attack the center line. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No focus is open target. So you're going here, going here, going there. Your center line is open. You become a target. Reason number 3, focus improves your speed. Most people think speed comes from muscle. Wrong. Speed comes from clear intention and relaxation. A tense punch, you see, versus a relaxed, focused punch. See, I'm focused, relaxed. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking at my punch. 2, 3, I'm focused. 5, and relaxed. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you tense, you're all over the place. See? 1, 2, 3, and you're not looking. 4, 5, 1, 2. I can see many students training in class. They were like that. 2, 3. The mind is somewhere else. That's not focus. So when you're not focused, your punch is tense, and you will not learn anything. But when your focus is clear, no hesitation, no extra movement, direct fast. You see? So no focus, slow reaction. Focus, quick reaction. See? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So focus on the punch. And the reason number 4, focus gives you timing. Timing is everything in fighting. But timing comes from awareness. If you're not focusing on your attacker, you look here, look there, the reaction will be delayed. But when I'm focused, I'm very precise. You see, your mind is not distracted. If you're distracted, you're always too late. You look, the punch is coming. It's too late. With focus, you feel, you react, you intercept instantly. Pop, 2, 3, Pak San punch, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus. See, I'm focused on my punch. Reason number 5, focus controls your breath and calm. Under pressure, people panic. But when you panic, your breathing is wrong. Your body becomes stiff. Your Wing Chun disappears. Breathe in and breathe out, calm breathing. Don't rush your breathing and go, no, breathe in and breathe out. Focus, control your breathing. Breathing, control your mind. And your mind, control the fight. Focus on the breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. So if your focus is not there, your structure is weak, your center line is open, your speed is slow, your timing is off, and your breathing is broken. So don't just practice movement. Practice focus in every movement. So let's practice Pak Sao Punch. 1, see? 2, 3, focus. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. So follow this video and practice this every day. Your stance, your structure, and your focus will improve. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Wing Chun is not about doing more techniques. It's about doing it with full awareness and focus. Train slower, feel every movement, stay present, and your Wing Chun will completely change. This is Wing Chun Wisdom because I will show you how to make your Wing Chun real, powerful, and effective. See you in the next lesson. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.